Hi, I'm Mel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to add bricks background to your brick components on your website. If you saw my last video, you saw that I taught you how to edit these bricks, these quick link components that you see throughout your website, mostly on home pages, but they can be elsewhere. Just to personalize them a little bit so you don't have to have just the generic images that we give you. Instead, you can add your own. So first of all, what we're going to want to do is change this council brick so that it shows the Vision ICT building. We're going to want to go onto a blank page or a new page, whichever page really, and make a text box. And then we're going to want to click on this edit button cog here, and then we see all these little icons in the top left corner. So we want the one that looks like two little mountains with a pencil. If we hover over it, it'll say insert image. So if we click on that one there, we'll be taken to our file storage area. Here you can see a couple of folders that have underscores in front of them. These are default folders that are added to each website that are very important, so please don't delete them. We have underscore people, which holds all of the pictures of the councillors on your website. We also have underscore heading images for any heading images you wanted to put on your website as well. Gallery, in case you had any gallery photos. But the one we're interested in is underscore bricks background. If we click on that one there, you'll see all of the background images for the bricks that we have currently, just generic images that we will give you. It is important that we look at this first, because if we actually click on the images, it tells us the size of the images down here. So as you can see, it's 262 by 230. Now it doesn't have the units after it, but I can tell you that these are pixels. So 262 pixels by 230 pixels. It's important that we want our image that we add to be the same size as these ones so that they fit in the styling that we've already put on there. You may want to use Photoshop if you have access to that. If not, there are a couple of free alternatives. Our technician Martin is particularly fond of Artweaver, which is kind of like Paint, but a little bit more technical, I suppose. He has actually done a guide on it, so I'm sure that you could email him or email support@visionict.com, and we'd be more than happy to send that guide over to you so that you are able to edit your own images. I've already found an image and I've already changed its size to match these proportions. So what we're going to do is we're going to click upload. We're going to find this image that I've made. Please make sure when you're naming this image that there are no spaces, there are no punctuation or anything like that. The computer doesn't like it, basically. And if you hover over it, you'll see the dimensions have 262 by 230, which are the dimensions of the other photos, which is perfect. Then you're going to want to click open, and you can see that it has been uploaded successfully. So we'll click OK to get rid of that, and there's our image. We actually don't need to do anything else here. We can click cancel and do the thumbs up. You can delete this text box now if you want to, or you can leave it there, up to you. We then want to go back to our home page. From here we want to click the edit cog icon. Yes, we do want a background image, and there we see our Vision ICT JPEG. So we click on that one there. Yes, we want to link it. We want it to link to the council page, which you can't see because it's gone off the end of the screen. And then we'll click Save Changes. And there we go, our personalized photo. Make sure to do this every single time. If for whatever reason you want to delete the photo that you've added on there, or maybe replace it, you realize that it wasn't the right version of the photo, you need to go back into this insert image place, back onto bricks background, and click this little button right next to the Vision ICT picture that I've just uploaded. You'll see it has a little tick next to it now. Click these scissors right up here, and that will ask you if you want to delete your file. If you click OK, it will delete it, and there it's gone. If for whatever reason you realise you deleted it by accident, you actually want to bring the image back, what you should not do is just upload the exact same image. It gets confused if the names are exactly the same because it will be looking for something that it can't find anymore. So what you might want to do instead is rename it, just put a 1 next to it, click open again, and re-upload it and continue as normal. Yeah, just don't make sure that there aren't any pictures that you upload that have the same name. And that is about it. I hope that you found this video useful, and I will see you in the next one.